So, hi everyone. How are you today? My name is David and I'll be your English teacher today. So, I'm very excited to be here because we're going to see a very interesting topic. So, welcome everyone. I hope you're okay and let's get started. So, in today's class, we will see cleft and inversion sentences. I don't know if you have ever heard about this. If you have, I would like to know if you know what it's cleft. I'll give you a second. Well, a moment. So I would like to know if what comes in your mind when you hear the word inversion. So tell me in the comments, guys. You will have a moment for that. So basically, before getting into the topic, I would like to mention what does the word cleft means. So basically, cleft means split and divided. And in this case, we can see that the cleft sentence is divided in two. In this case, we use cleft sentences to emphasize more information to a particular subject. For example, here we have the girl played the video game. In a cleft sentence, it will be, it was a girl who played the video game. In this case, we added it and who. I will explain that later on. So also there is another kind of cleft sentence and it's called pseudo cleft sentence. These ones are with WH and they are most often introduced but what, but we can also use why, where, and how. The information in the WH clause is typically old or understood information, while the information in the following class is new and focused. In case you have questions or doubts, you can tell me in the comments. That's why I'm telling you to write down in the comments. Inversion sentences. These ones are my favorite one because they are really interesting. In this case, inversion sentences, it means inversion, it means putting the verb before the subject. If you know, we do that in questions. For example, we have the first example we have, I have never seen such a beautiful sunset before. Here we have the sentence in its formal form, and in the inversion form will be never have I seen such a beautiful sunset before. Which one can you guess it sounds more formal for you? In this case will be never have I seen such a beautiful sunset before. And with inversion sentences, we could add drama, we can emphasize or sound more formal. As I said before, basically that's what we use the inversion sentences. Let's do an activity to see how's your comprehension about what I already said. Here we have a meme, my teacher turning on the projector and me. So please go to the link that I'll be putting in the description below, and you will have 10 minutes so you can pause the video and then come back. So see you when you finish the activity. Now let me explain the structure of the cleft sentences. We have it plus be verb plus subject plus that or who relative clause. That's why it's cleft clauses, because it's basically split it in two. Here we have the original sentence. In this case will be the dog chased the cat. The dog chased the cat. In a cleft sentence, it will be, it was the dog that chased the cat. Here we can see that we added the it and the that. In the cleft sentences, as I said, you can basically you can add that and who, depending on what kind of word you want to use. The second example will be, it was the dog who chased the cat. Basically, it's the same meaning, so you can use both of them, or basically the one that you like the most. We have another type of cleft sentences. In this case, are the pseudo cleft sentences. These ones are with what, with the what clause plus be verb plus the emphasized word or phrase. As an example will be, I don't know what they like. And in the pseudo cleft sentence form will be, what they like is smoked salmon. As you can see, the word that is colored with blue is what. So basically we use the WH clause. Now the structure of the inversion sentences. The structure of the inversion sentences will be adverb plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. For example, we have here the, you have never been in Tokyo. Never have I been in Tokyo. Here we can see the adverb never that is placed in the first place instead of placing you, as we can see, because it's the inversion form. We basically put the verb before the subject. Then we have the auxiliary verb that it will be have. Then we have the subject that it will be I. Then we have the main verb that it will be being in its participle form. I hope you can get it, guys. If you don't, please let me know in the comments or send me a message. You know you can do that. Now we have different types of adverbs, and these are only with inversion sentences. As we can see, we have hardly, never, seldom, rarely, only then, not only, but, no sooner, scarcely, one later, nowhere, little, only, in this way, in no way, on no account. You can read the examples of them, but most important, remember that adverbs comes before the verb second activity, and now it's a game. Do you like games? I do. So let's play a game. I will put the link in the description below so you can play the game. You will have also 10 minutes, so be ready for it, and I'll be here so you can pause the video and we will continue. Now, just to remember that cleft, it means split. Basically, it will have the it and who. Cleft sentences also another category that it will be the pseudo cleft sentences, that it's basically with the pattern of the WH. And basically the cleft sentences add or emphasize, no, the cleft sentences emphasize to a particular subject of a sentence. In the inversion, we basically change the order of the verb and the subject. As I said before, the verb comes before the subject. And with the inversion sentences, we could add drama or sound more formal. Now we will have another activity, and this one, it's gonna be a little bit harder, but you can do it, guys. I believe in you. So please go to the link below that I will place in the I will place it in the description below. So you will have 10 minutes and you will have only one attempt to do it. So please do it carefully and pay a lot of attention to the questions, because you gotta change some sentences to the cleft form or to the inversion form. So you can do it, guys. I'll be here so you can pause the video and we will back. Finished? Nice. Now, before going, you will have homework. Yeah, I'm sorry, you have to do it. So for homework, you will need to record your voice with the app Vocabulary. You can basically look it up in the Google and describing 3 important points. What did you understand about the topic? Did you like it? If you like it, why? And if you didn't like it, why? The minimum of the time that I will need will be 1 minute, so it won't be that much. So do it, guys, please. That will be very helpful for you, and that will be very helpful for me, so I can see how can I help you. So see you next time. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. See you.